Good morning, good afternoon, everyone, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to this very first IBM Services Virtual Summit in the Middle East and Africa. We wanted to interact with you wherever you are, so we're bringing the event to you today to help you discover the latest business and technology trends and engage and network with industry leaders through intuitive chat capabilities, but also live online discussions. By now, you might have visited our virtual booth in the exhibit hall, covering a variety of topics such as cloud, blockchain, artificial intelligence, automation, talent, and much more. And while these technologies are extremely important in shaping today's business, we wanted to take one step back and invite you to the auditorium for a little while to share with you our vision for the cognitive enterprise and how you can transform into a smarter business by leveraging the full capabilities of the data, AI, and hybrid multi-cloud. Let me first give you some context. We're witnessing a new era of business reinvention. Organizations are facing an unprecedented convergence of technological, social, and regulatory forces. And as artificial intelligence, blockchain, automation, Internet of Things, 5G, and edge computing become more pervasive, their combined impact will reshape standard business architectures. Now, in the past decade, we have seen a digital transformation that is driven by ever-demanding and very informed consumers who are kind of forcing the companies to transform and align to their needs. I'd call this the outside-in digital transformation. And this outside-in digital transformation is giving way today to an inside-out kind of transformation where enterprises are basically leveraging the potential of their data exploited with exponential technologies to accelerate digital reinvention journey. We call this next generation business model the cognitive enterprise. So the cognitive enterprise is the framework we have created to help apply those cognitive technologies to enterprise-level business needs. And cognitive enterprises are built on 7 layers that complement each other. First, cognitive enterprises embrace culture of agile innovation by having the right skills, new ways of working, and always aiming at offering the best experiences both internally and externally. They are powered by an ecosystem of business platforms. You may think of the industry platform, the transaction platform, or any other cross-industry platforms. They are activated by intelligent workflows, by re-engineering front and back-end processes, infusing cognition into them and make them smarter, faster, and more cost-efficient. Very important. They are made possible with exponential technologies. We already have mentioned AI, blockchain, automation, IoT, and 5G. They are fueled by data. We all know that data is the world's new natural resource, right? Those cognitive enterprises are leveraging their proprietary data in addition to licensed and public data. And of course, they are using next generation applications. Think of the custom application, legacy applications, API-enabled, cloud-native, and digital applications, all kinds of applications. And last but not least, they adopt an open and secure hybrid multi-cloud infrastructure. So obviously, building a cognitive enterprise is not an easy mission. It's an ongoing journey where we partner with you to address what I would say 3 big chapters. Chapter 1 is market-making business platforms. Chapter 2 is intelligent workflows. And Chapter 3 is enterprise experience and humanity. So first, you need to make fundamental choices on your core platform that will represent your competitive advantage, create differentiation, and serve as the instantiation of the strategy of an organization. Those business platforms will stand or fall based on the intelligence and innovation of the workflows that underpin them. On the other hand, business platforms will only succeed if a compelling enterprise experience for all is embedded. Organizations that have learned to delight and engage customers by curating rich customer experiences now recognize the need to do so as well for their employees, business partners, or ecosystem in general. This raises the bar for expectations around the personal touch, human relationships, creativity, and empathy, qualities that allow companies to stand out. Visit our IBM iX virtual booth to know more about enterprise experience. Now, if cognitive enterprise is the new model, hybrid cloud is the engine that clients will use to make it work. Cognitive enterprise running on the hybrid cloud for the cognitive enterprise. These will be like the sun and the moon in this new era of business reinvention. IBM is organized to partner with you on both sides of the equation. I've touched on the cognitive enterprise. Let me make a few points about cloud. Think of when enterprises started their cloud journeys. They started with easier, non-business critical workloads. Cloud adoption has mostly been driven by customer-facing apps, new apps you were putting in, or maybe some inexpensive compute you wanted, right? We believe this only represents 20% of enterprise workloads. Now, the next 80% is the core of the business, the mission-critical work. That means that you must modernize apps to get there. So we're kind of moving from an era of cloud that was app-driven to now we're transforming mission-critical. So the ones I added, but now we have to transform. And the challenges a lot of companies have is with their existing estate. They have unique requirements, regulation compliance, data, location, and by the way, most of them are already having anywhere from 3 to 10 clouds, all different kinds. So clearly, the destination is hybrid, meaning you will have traditional IT, private clouds, and public clouds. Now, according to IDC, 94% of enterprises have hybrid cloud models today, mixing public, private, dedicated, and countless SaaS applications. Let's think about your business a little bit, right? This trend will continue with rapid growth in all 3 flavors of cloud through the next couple of years. And 67% are using a mix of multiple cloud vendors, each with their own proprietary tools and management systems. All this while enterprises continue to make significant investment in traditional IT. This new hybrid multi-cloud reality creates not only new opportunities, we are all aware of those opportunities, but also new challenges for IT leaders. Let me give you some information and data. 82% are concerned about how they will connect all of these clouds and traditional IT. 73% need better ways to move apps, workloads, and data between these clouds more effectively. And 67% worry about how they will manage this new mix of cloud and environments in a consistent way across vendors without introducing new security and compliance risks. And the reason it is so important to be on open technologies is skills are scarce. You want people to be able to write something, and then you choose where you want to deploy it, but then you need it consistent in security and management. Even for those looking to aggressively move to the cloud today, it will be a journey. The question is, how do you accelerate that journey today? And I'd like to share with you an example of a company that is making great strides in the cloud transformation journey. Etihad Airways is the national carrier of the UAE and one of our key clients. We've been working together for many years, mainly around the IT infrastructure, and then our partnership evolved to support various business priorities, including their continuous focus on improving and personalizing the guest experience. After several garages and design thinking sessions with different stakeholders, we managed to launch a completely new experience in 15 weeks only. Etihad offered their guests a way to manage their travel wherever they are through check-in, reservation, and additional services. So I'd like to invite you to watch this short video to discover more about our partnership with Etihad.
Seats, then you go to edit that.
This is what was projected to be a 6 to 8 months delivery timescale turned out to be just 15 weeks.
We don't normally do things in 15 weeks.
And everybody really wanted to see this because we were also doing it for the first time.
15 weeks sounds like it's an easy achievement. I can tell you now, it's not an easy achievement.
You'd be surprised how few people were able to check in through our digital platform. What we need is a digital environment that shows us for what we are, a 5-star airline with incredible experience.
It starts with the ability to be able to develop and to be able to deploy and to be able to have access to some really, really good people.
This was the first cloud installation in the organization. It was the first time that we are doing a WhatsApp boarding pass.
We kicked everything off with a design thinking session. I think that was essential to ensure we're customer focused.
The IBM Garage methodology helped us identify the right set of DevOps tool chains.
It's a very practical exercise with a very practical outcome. You don't fear anything being wrong. It's really an encouraging environment to get the whiteboard and to really think through what you have to achieve.
So within a few short weeks, we were able to get a fundamentally different check-in experience live.
And at the end of the day, we released 70 new functionalities in record time, even though it was not really planned.
This is unheard of. This is heartbreaking, really.
We achieved something of such high quality in such a short period of time.
It really triggered a fundamental culture change at Etihad. The idea of launching quickly and then pivoting, these were concepts that we've now spread across our business.
And now with this first part of the journey complete, people believe in that vision, that strategy, and that architecture that we put together. I'm personally very proud of everyone who worked on it.
Based on our experience working with key clients across various industries, we designed the IBM Cloud around 5 key principles to help you embrace the next chapter of cloud and realize a faster, more secure journey to cloud. Number 1 is hybrid. We must enable enterprises across public, private, and traditional environments. Number 2, multi-cloud. We must manage other vendors' clouds, acknowledging the reality that client environments are heterogeneous. Number 3 is open. We must be open by design to enable client flexibility and reduce vendor lock-in. And obviously, I cannot talk about open without talking about Red Hat. IBM with Red Hat is delivering a next-generation hybrid multi-cloud platform that lets you develop, run, and manage apps and workloads in a consistent way across all your clouds on and off premises. Now, number 4, secure. We must provide reliability and continuous security for the client's environment across vendors and clouds. And number 5, management. We must offer consistent service level support, logging, management, and delivery across complete cloud and IT environments. So we're bringing together all the key elements across services, cloud, Red Hat, and infrastructure. Hopefully you can see on the screen now a comprehensive view of IBM's hybrid multi-cloud platform. Take a moment to look at it. IBM services help customers connect their cloud strategies to their business strategies. We provide advice around the right cloud solution for the key workflows and application suites in the business, set out the overall architectural choices and advice on the best ways to ensure security and compliance across hybrid infrastructures. Importantly, IBM services can provide support at every step in the journey to cloud, from customer just starting out to those orchestrating and managing multi-cloud environments and every stage in between. I advise you guys to go visit our cloud virtual booth to learn how IBM services can accelerate your journey to cloud. In summary, cloud will help accelerate your business transformation. I want to reiterate the key points that I have shared with you today. The new normal is hybrid, multi-cloud, and open. It is what it is. This is our business today. You can modernize or build your applications once and then deploy them anywhere. IBM Cloud Paks make certified software more available on any cloud. And our services cover strategy, modernization, development, and management. Now, for those of you who are wondering, how do I get started with my cloud transformation or any business transformation in general? The answer is the IBM Garage. IBM Garage is an end-to-end methodology that defines a reliable, repeatable, secure path for our clients to embark and succeed their transformation journeys. So in other terms, IBM Garage is our approach to help you innovate at the speed of the startup and the scale of the enterprise. And on that topic, I will hand it over to my colleague Calvin, who will take you through the details of our IBM Garage method. Thank you very much.